Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, me Sayyida Mariam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. What are today's expected learning outcomes of number 9? The student is expected to count, identify, and write number 9 in words. First of all, we will display different things on the table. You could keep stones, 9 stones, 9 leaves, 9 pencils, and call to the students individually that count how many stones are there, how many pencils are there, how many leaves are there. After that, we will teach them the formation of number 9. Start from red dot, make semicircle, go up, come straight down. It will make number 9. It will make number 9. In words, how to write it? N, I, N, E. 9. N, I, N, E. 9. After that, you will ask riddle from the students and then they will visualize the story about number 9 and you will show the cards of 9 eggs. Different student will come and they will count how many eggs are there. I hope so. You got my point. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.